Are you having problems with your development runtime software not locating the Libstdc 6.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. While we cover the technical fix for Libstdc++, Libstdc++ 6, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. Libstdc++, this DLL file is a common versioned instance of the GNU C++ library. It is a critical requirement for hundreds of open source and cross-platform applications running on the Windows platform today. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The Libstdc++ 6.dll is a third-party application file associated with your development runtime software. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of your development runtime software will restore the correct version of this file. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Libstdc++ 6 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Replacing the Libstdc++ 6 without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining libstdc++, the Libstdc++ 6. If you've regained access to libstdc++, the Libstdc++ 6, thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.